Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to become an influencer, an Instagram influencer. And as you can see here, Yanis built this account and he now has 20,000.7 followers, 0.7,000 followers, not 0.7 followers. And if you go back, you can basically see that he has, like the recent posts, he has posts like videos and photos that are high quality and that people actually want to look at. These posts draw attention. So this is the first thing. And if we go back, somewhere here, you can see here that Yanis basically built up his account using quotes, many quotes, like these ones. Do whatever you do intensely. Life is a journey, blah blah blah. Okay. So as you can see, in Instagram, basically in Instagram people come and people come to Instagram or log into Instagram, and what they want to see is pictures and videos. This is the reason that people log into Instagram and go through it. They don't want to see, they don't want to read like a 50 pages book or someone posts that has, a very long text, and they just want to see photos and videos. So if people come in Instagram to see videos and photos, just give them what they want, and in this way they're going to follow you and you are going to draw their attention, and they're going to like your content or your posts, they're going to comment and follow you in general. And if you want to start with quotes, which is a very good way to start, it is actually very easy to find quotes. You can actually go here and type motivation. And if you can see here, this has 168 million and more posts. So people like motivation. And you can see here. You can see here. Like for example, you can start with this kind of quotes because there is a good picture, a beautiful picture on the background or in the background, and in the front there is this quote. So this is basically what kind of quotes you're looking for. A beautiful picture in the background or something that attracts attention and also is high quality, and then a beautiful